To create a professional website for my business, I chose Wix. Let me show you how I did it. Let's go to Wix.com. Our business idea is big. It's a hotel in space. I know, it's mind-blowing. And I'm gonna add a beautiful gallery and switch up this layout. I love how these cosmic photos are displayed in the highest resolution. Every few days, we post something new on our blog. Today's topic, life in zero gravity. An FAQ is great because when it comes to space, you've got questions and we've got answers. With Wix Chat, we can answer any question at any time. I'll add Wix events so we can promote our big liftoff in 2021. Guests can register, buy tickets, and I can manage the whole guest list right from my site. Now this is a website that's out of this world. Go to Wix.com. Create your stunning website today.